Selamat pagi, welcome to Kampong London, the show where we teach you how to make food from Southeast Asia, and we're going to make it delicious. Today we're going to be making Mee Goreng Mamak, a very simple fried noodle dish that I'm sure you'll really enjoy making and eating. Without further ado, let's get to work.
To start, we'll need some egg noodles and bean sprouts. You'll also need one medium onion, chopped finely, some sliced beef, cooked or uncooked, and some chives for garnishing. Start by lining a wok with some oil. Let it sizzle, and then add the onions. If you're using uncooked beef, put them with the onions so they can cook. Once the onions are just about caramelized, add your noodles and beef. After heated through, it's time for flavouring. Add 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste and mix. You can add a bit more if you want. Once mixed through, add some Kecap Manis and mix. Next, add some salt for flavouring. Make sure to add according to your taste. Finally, take the wok off the heat and add your washed bean sprouts. We take them off the heat so they won't wilt and will remain crunchy. Also add some fried garlic. However, if you choose to use some fresh garlic, chop it up and fry it with the onions at the very beginning. Finally, add some garnishing of chives as well as some fresh chili. After that, it's ready to serve.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kampong London. It's a very simple dish and it tastes amazing. So, as always, cook for your family, tell them you love them, and until next time, Assalamualaikum.